Got a CVS file and your spreadsheet program doesn't recognize it? This is almost certainly a CSV file with a typo in the extension. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access CVS files easily. I always keep a magic software utility on standby for the toughest CVS files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. The .cvs extension is almost always a typographical error for .csv, comma-separated values. Users searching for this are trying to open a plain text file containing tabular data, most commonly with a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel, to view, organize, and analyze the information in rows and columns. A CSV file, the intended format, is a plain text file using a delimiter, typically a comma, to separate values. Each line represents a data record or row. This simple text-based structure was designed for maximum interoperability, allowing different applications and database systems to easily exchange tabular data. Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation offers a certified solution for the CVS file type. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows may render a preview, but editing cells or functions requires a spreadsheet program. To resolve the application failure, right-click your CVS file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Excel and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your CVS file will not open yet, do not panic. General troubleshooting won't work on the CVS file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, renaming to CSV. Rename the CVS file to CSV by changing the extension in File Explorer or your file manager. Most spreadsheet programs and data tools recognize CSV files immediately after the rename, enabling normal opening and processing without further intervention. This simple fix resolves the typo issue completely. Next, opening directly. Try opening the CVS file directly in Excel, LibreOffice Calc, or Google Sheets, which often handle the format despite the unusual extension. These programs auto-detect CSV-style content, regardless of file extension, parsing values into rows and columns automatically for normal data analysis. Finally, importing as text. If automatic recognition fails, import the CVS file as text using data, then from text, CSV, in Excel or equivalent menus in other spreadsheet programs. Configure delimiter settings to use commas during import. The wizard parses contents into proper columns regardless of the unconventional file extension. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.